Hey everybody, good morning. Really quick pre-market plan here on the day. You'll see we've kind of got some ranges drawn on the chart. All in all, looks pretty dirty in the sense that a lot of these positions are thin and you've got these kind of smaller zones within a zone or range within a range, whatever you want to say. We are kind of, as you can see right now in the pre-market, selling down into this little smaller, lower range between 73.95 and 73.75 on ES. I think this is kind of where you would expect things to slow down, maybe get a bounce and range around in these couple smaller zones. So 74.30 to 74.70 is where I think we'll live a lot of the day. If we get some stronger selling pressure and volatility, we can move down here into this lower range. There is some potential for reactivity below that, but I don't know. I'm not outright bearish on this profile, but I'm also not bullish in the sense of thinking we just explode up and out of this range. I think we're kind of going to be stuck in this 74.30 to 73.70-ish. And like I said, if we test down into 73.50 and you get some volatility, we can move into this lower territory here. It's not outright bullish down there until much lower. So I would definitely be keeping an eye on that. You do have this VIX spree today. It looks like it's going to pin at 18. So we'll see what we get after that settle happens and what things look like from there. But I'm looking at these little zones, these little ranges to see kind of how we behave in and around them. You'll see in the overnight they were kind of respected. We couldn't break above 74.35 and ended up coming down kind of into this supportive area here around 73.80 and below. So we'll just have to keep an eye on it. Like I said, I'm not leaning one way or the other. I'm just watching for how we react at the tops and bottoms of these ranges here. So you got Jake on stream this morning. You've got me and Christian this afternoon, and then Ron and Alan tonight. So pay close attention to what you see on those streams, and hopefully we can check in and see how this morning profile performed. All right, good luck today.